When considering Journyx for your accounting needs, there are a few key things you should know before deciding whether it's the right fit for your business. In this video, we're breaking down the 12 things you absolutely need to know before you commit, so stay tuned until the end. The first thing you should know is that Journyx offers a time and expense tracking system that's great for companies looking to get detailed insights into their project costs. Unlike QuickBooks, which is more general, Journyx really hones in on time tracking for projects, which can be a huge advantage if you work in industries where this is essential. The second thing is that it integrates well with other systems, particularly payroll software like ADP. This is important for businesses that want to keep their time tracking and payroll processes connected without using multiple platforms. However, it's not as versatile as some other solutions, like Xero, which offers more extensive integration options across different tools. Next, let's talk about pricing. Journyx offers several pricing tiers depending on the number of users and features you need. This makes it flexible for businesses of different sizes. However, when compared to competitors like FreshBooks or QuickBooks, it's on the pricier side, especially if you need advanced features, which might be better suited to larger businesses or those with complex needs. The fourth thing to consider is its user interface. Journyx has a clean design, but it may take some time to get used to, especially for people who are accustomed to more intuitive systems like Wave or Zoho Books. For a streamlined experience, you might find other platforms more user-friendly, especially if you're new to accounting software. Now, one of the standout features of Journyx is its robust reporting capabilities. It offers detailed, customizable reports that allow you to track project costs, time, and expenses. This feature gives you more control over your financial data than simpler tools like FreshBooks, but it might be overwhelming if you don't need that level of detail. The sixth thing to consider is its customer support. Journyx offers 24/7 support, which is great, but keep in mind that some users report slower response times compared to competitors like Xero, which has a more responsive customer service experience. Next, Journyx excels at handling complex billing, especially for businesses that have multiple clients with different billing arrangements. If your business operates on flat rate or project-based pricing, Journyx provides great tools for managing that. This is something you won't find as easily in simpler software like QuickBooks or FreshBooks, which are geared more towards small businesses and freelancers. The eighth thing to note is its mobile app. While Journyx does have an app, it's not as robust as some other competitors. If you're looking for a fully functional app that allows you to manage everything from your phone, platforms like Zoho Books or QuickBooks might be more appropriate. Moving on, Journyx does offer some customization options, but it's not as flexible as other platforms like Xero or Zoho Books. You may find that certain features you need aren't as easily adjustable or customizable as you'd expect, which can be limiting for businesses with specific requirements. Next up, Journyx provides solid expense tracking tools, allowing businesses to manage and monitor expenses in detail. This is a great advantage over competitors like Wave, which don't offer the same level of detailed expense tracking. However, it's still a more advanced feature, and businesses without a complex expense structure might find this unnecessary. The 11th thing to keep in mind is that Journyx is mainly geared toward project-based businesses. If you run a simple operation without a lot of client projects, it may not be the best fit. For general small business accounting, you might get better value from platforms like QuickBooks or FreshBooks. Finally, Journyx is a good solution for companies that need in-depth time tracking and project management integration with accounting. However, if you're looking for a more comprehensive accounting tool with broader features at a lower price, consider alternatives like Xero or QuickBooks. In conclusion, Journyx is a solid option for businesses that need detailed time tracking and project management integration. But if you're looking for a solution that's more versatile and cost-effective, check out our recommended accounting software that you can try for free.